This is Elsie in her first ever car wash. She's never been to one of these before. She's freaking out just a little bit.
Are they heavy?
No.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh dear. Oh dear.
You see how nice and clean her car is getting?
What's this called? Buffet?
You're gonna rinse it first. Get ready.
What? I feel like I'm on a ride at Disney or something. I'm waiting for something. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, oh my God, I need a drink. Oh, look, now it's rinsing. It missed a spot. Look at that. What the hell is this now?
It's gonna dry it.
You got it.
Giant hair dryer.
You've got to be kidding.
When the light turns green, you drive away. See?
Oh, where are we going? We're going backwards.
It's just blowing you back a little bit.
Huh?
It's just the blower blowing you back a little bit.
Blower?
The air
Oh,
blow.
jeez.
Okay. No.
Go.
Yeah.
Put it in dry.
Yeah.
Oh,
Drive away.
I need a drink.